How to turn on and off flashlight on Android. This tutorial shows you how to quickly access and control your flashlight using different methods. First, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the notification panel. Next, you'll see the Quick Settings panel with various shortcut icons. Following that, swipe down again to expand the full Quick Settings menu. Now, look for the flashlight icon among the Quick Settings tiles. Moving forward, tap on the flashlight icon to turn it on instantly. Afterwards, the flashlight will activate and your camera flash will light up. In addition to that, tap the flashlight icon again to turn it off. Once you've used this method, there's an even faster shortcut available. Subsequently, go to Settings on your Android device. Moreover, scroll down and tap on Advanced Features. Afterwards, tap on Side button to access Power button settings. Then, look for the option that says Double Press to open an app or feature. Within the section, toggle on the switch to enable this feature. Alternatively, tap on Double Press and select Flashlight from the list of options. Once you've set this up, simply double press the power button to toggle the flashlight. Then, double press the power button again to turn the flashlight off instantly. And that's it. If this tutorial helped you control the flashlight on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tips and tricks, and tap the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.